Simple electric furnace guide. First, place down your electric furnaces like this. Then place your large or medium battery down. Then add a power switch and electrical splitter. Now connect the power source to the large or medium battery. Now connect the battery to the electrical switch. Once you do that, connect the power switch to the electrical splitter. Now connect the furnaces to the electrical splitter. Now turn on the power to see if you did it correctly. All three furnaces should turn on. And this is how you do my